how do you, O Muslims, explain the concept of your Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim? How is Ar-Rahman so Rahman when children are dying of starvation, when Palestinians are being killed, when the Rohingya are being raped, when Syrians are being executed en masse? Where is the Rahmah? How could a divine God who is merciful and all-powerful allow this to take place? And this is the number one argument that is being used by the people who are the self-appointed prophets of atheism and agnosticism. People like Sam Harris, people like Bill Maher. These are mainstream names. And they call themselves, we are the prophets of no religion. We are calling the people to leave faith. And the number one argument that people like Sam Harris use is, explain to me why there's so much pain. What is the wisdom of this suffering that takes place? And so today, allow me to go on the topic of thankfulness by talking a little bit of a tangent, but it is still related. And that is the topic of suffering and pain, of evil. How do we, as Muslims, understand and appreciate the concept of an all-powerful God, the concept of a merciful God who still allows so much evil and pain in this world? What is the theological explanation for this? And I want to begin by simply pointing out that this topic of trying to understand evil, of trying to understand how Allah could allow so much evil and pain, this topic is not even something that humans themselves brought up. Actually, this topic was first brought up the very second that Allah said to the angels, I'm creating a new species. I'm creating a new entity. Allah announced to the angels, I'm creating a new form of life called humans. Inni ja'ilun fil ardi khalifa. And as soon as Allah explained this new creature to the angels, what was the question that the angels asked Allah? Even the angels could not understand. Oh Allah, the Quran tells us, the angels said, oh Allah, why would you create a new species that is killing one another and shedding blood, that is going to cause so much evil? Why would you do that when we are so pure, we are so holy, we don't do any harm? نَحْنُ نُسَبِّحُ بِحَمْدِكَ وَنُقَدِّسُ لَكَ. All we do day and night is praise you and thank you. Why would you create a species that's going to see so much pain and suffering? Even the angels could not understand. The angels had never seen the types of wars and bloodshed and evil that we are immune to and used to. Why, oh Allah, would you do that? What is the wisdom behind doing this? And here is the beauty that we as Muslims need to understand. When the angels asked this question, how could this evil be taking place? Why would you do this? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not answer the question from an intellectual or a philosophical or a rational manner. He did not even attempt to explain His wisdom. He simply said, what did He say, O Muslims? All of you should know. What did He say? Inni a'lamu ma la ta'lamun. Basically, you're going to have to trust me. My knowledge is more than yours. And I know what you can never understand. So even the angels, and the angels are more intelligent than us, they're more pure than us, they're more worshipping of Allah than us. Even the angels were not told the secrets, and they were essentially told, you shall have to trust me, I know what you do not know. So as Muslims, we begin the answer to this question by saying, we will never have an answer to the question. That is how we begin the answer to the question. We shall never have a watertight, foolproof answer because Allah Himself was asked the question. And Allah Himself said, you're going to have to trust me.